This video will analyze the body language of an apology video. Body language is one way to determine the actual message a person is conveying. In this apology video, I will analyze the apology for the crisis communication event that happened with Logan Paul in 2018. This crisis event involved Logan uploading a video of him and his friends exploring the suicide forest. In the video, they find a dead body and laugh, joke, and make fun of the horrible situation. This is what he is apologizing for in the video. At the start of the video, you can see that Logan looks left as if to recall information. This could be that Logan is trying to remember his pre-written apology. This makes it seem as though the apology isn't very sincere. We can also see that Logan appears very stiff and rigid throughout the video, as though he is very nervous. This, paired with the direct eye contact, make it seem he is trying to convey fake honesty to the viewer. Right here, he looks right 2 times. This signal often means fabricating or lying. He looks right as he says, "I should have never posted the video. I should have put the cameras down." This shows he really has no remorse for his actions and believes he didn't do anything wrong. He also does what is called a tongue poke here and a few times throughout the video, which signifies that he disapproves or rejects what he is saying. He does one of these tongue pokes after apologizing to everyone this video may have hurt, including the victim. After he does the tongue poke, it seems that Logan actually tries to hold back a smile, showing he can't take this apology seriously. Towards the end of the video, you will see Logan nod his head after he says, "I am ashamed of myself. I am disappointed in myself." It seems that Logan is reassuring himself to say these, although he doesn't really believe them. These signs of body language show why it is important to not only listen to what the speaker is saying, but also watch how the speaker is saying it. This video shows that on the surface, it may seem he is sincere in what he is saying, but he shows many instances that show he is lying throughout the video, which is conveyed by his body language. It is important to understand all the aspects of an apology so you can decide to forgive them or not. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.